Okay, so here we are at the Bighorn Trout Shop. Dad's getting all sunscreened up for our first day out. And this is our Captain Mark here. He's
Captain Mark.
He knows exactly what he's doing. Right?
Good morning, guys.
Got him tied down out there for us. That's what we say when we're going deer hunting. Got one tied up out there.
Yeah, tied up.
Yeah.
Hog tied.
And everybody's getting all geared up, ready to go. It's about 8 o'clock. And we're ready. I might just need another shot of coffee to get going here. So, got gear. I got my essentials, my fishing hat. This is all my tippet because I like to tie my, I don't want to wait on the guide. When he's rowing, I can just tie my own stuff on. And we got our rods here. All geared up, ready to go. All right, here we are, Bighorn Fishing Access. That's what this is called, the Bighorn Fishing Access. There's several different access points. That's Mr. Anderson there.
The captain of the whole crew.
Just kind of checking things out, I guess. And but we're going from the Bighorn Fishing Access down to a place called Mallard. We're putting in right here.
Hey.
I have to shorten up my indicator.
Get back here.
Must have a 25-foot leader on it. This one's for Dan.
Yeah.
Pumping just to see what he might be eating this morning.
Here, let me see that. Let me see you do that. There you go.
Hey, open up.
See, that's a little uncomfortable.
Nah, it's not.
That's a little...
It's not for him. It's a piece of cake for him.
Yep, there we go. I'd say below average, size-wise.
Yeah. Little pseudo nymphs.
Yeah.
Little tiny pseudo nymphs. That's what he's eating.
Cool.
That's cool.
That's not a real fat one though, is he?
No, you know, for the size of his head, that's a big male, but he's just long.
Yeah, but some of them other ones was huge fat.
Yeah, he could be a lot fatter for the size.
That don't have
of
near the girth of some of them 18, 19 ones.
No.
Different strain of genetics.
Well, Todd's hooked onto a hoss here, but he can't get him out of the water. He's not strong enough. Finally had to get out and dip him, and we finally got him. He might be a keeper.
Good brown.
Yeah, good fat brown, you know.
Good fat brown, about 30 inches.
Yeah, 30.
Okay, got a fish on. Fish on, fish on.
Fish on.
Nice rainbow.
Nice rainbow.
He wore out in a hurry though, really, didn't he?
Yeah,
Compared to that last one.
Yeah, it kind of did. Yeah.
Nice fish.
Yeah,
Pretty
what a
fish.
jumper.
He was
Gosh.
nice and fat.
Probably lots more difficult.
We're gonna go after those right there.
I've
We're gonna go after those
never fished for this.
rising right there after some tricos. That'll be pretty good.
You know,
You can see them right there.
Sure.
Ooh.
Working on heads, yeah.
See if we can get something coming up right there. Yep. And one of them's just sitting there just scooping one after the other.
this is a beauty. We're trying to net him. He is
About a 20-inch
monster.
rainbow.
about a 20
On a dry, no doubt.
on a dry fly, trico, not a mako. There he goes in the net. He is a beauty. He is a beauty. Lord have mercy.
Yeah, just where are you gonna go to do this? I mean, give me a break.
Look at that there. What'd you say,
Jeez.
Todd?
So that was a 20-incher.
Gosh, 20 inches.
20.
Nice fish.
Beautiful
Nice fish.
Man.
Man,
That was a great.
On a 6X.
Yeah, it was
Baby,
a
that's a
great
big
take.
fish for
Yeah.
a 6X.
You don't forget those takes. Right, look at left side corner pocket, right there. Right there, that's where he tilted right up and ate it.
Has his mouth been eat up before?
No, I don't see anything. He's been living in the weeds.
All right. Todd's gonna have this to put in the big book.
There you go.
That is a monster trout.
Yep, big old rainbow.
We're proud. Man, big
Eating
old
trout
rainbow.
guts. Beautiful.
That'd be good.
About like that one we caught over the lake.
Nah, not as big, but this one's 21 inches here. Yeah.
Yeah. That's a good one. Yeah. Good job, Jim.
I'm ready for lunch now.
Yeah, ready for lunch.
Ready for cocktails at least.
Yeah.
We'll get them after a while. Hey, that's a pretty baby.
Nice.
That's a pretty baby.
Really, look at that hook jaw on him, boy. That's just awesome. Ooh. Yeah.
Biggest 19 and a half I've ever seen.
That's right, it
I
is.
figured he was 21.
I wanted to on that anchor there.
And then flip his.
A lot of fun.
I can't see.
Flip him
Hey,
this
I'm
way.
looking at his belly.
There you go. Beautiful. There's the picture. All right.
All right.
Yeah, he's got a big hook.
Good job.
Why you right there? Look at this bottom leg.
Thought it was a dink. Turns out to be a nice fish. You could catch these all day long and I could
Grew up here.
ooh,
Big rainbow.
big rainbow.
He's not fat, but he's long.
Yeah.
That's what it looks like, don't it?
Mm-hmm. Sure. Oh man.
He's wanting to jump out the net.
I know. That's a good fish.
Hey, another
Yeah.
nice rainbow.
Yeah.
Woo!
Woo! Yeah.
Was it about 17?
Yeah, right on 17. There's the lead.
He's on the bottom when he's still way down there.
Yeah, he is.
Oh, nice. He's worth talking about. Dad, you need to stand up a little taller. Wind it in some more. There you go.
He's on the paddle. I don't want to cut it off.
There goes an eagle.
Yeah, there he is, way over there.
Oh, yeah.
I see him.
There he is. All right.
That's a good little rainbow.
It's like a bright rainbow from the ocean, doesn't it? A little steelhead.
Yeah.
Brown worm. That's great. Ah, goodbye. See you later, buddy.